welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new to my channel guys, thank you so much for clicking and I hope you subscribe. So guys, this is the third video in my basic hair care series. I started a series. If you're new on your natural hair journey, you should check this out because it literally has the basics of what you need to do to take care of your natural hair. So the first video I made was a pre-poo video showing how I prep my hair for wash day. Then I actually made a video showing how I safely wash my hair. And now here's a video on a treatment that I do once I wash my hair. So this avocado deep conditioning treatment, it's both a light protein treatment and a moisture treatment. So I like to put all my ingredients into my blender. If you don't have a blender, you can always use a fork and just mash up everything, manually. But I prefer using a blender because it gets everything smooth and it also gets rid of all the lumps and bumps. If you guys like what you're seeing, I also have an Instagram account. You can find me at Her Hair Glory. I upload short videos, pictures, and we also just engage with one another, share tips, and just have our own community going. So please do give me a follow if you like what you're seeing. As you guys saw, I totally messed up that egg, but putting in a whole egg should be fine as well. Usually I just go with an egg yolk. I don't put the egg white. And I always put in my oils. So my essential oils is rosemary and peppermint oil. And when you're using essential oils, guys, you always have to use a carrier oil. My carrier oil of choice was olive oil, and I will be talking about the benefits of all of these ingredients later on in the video. So now we can get to the fun part, which is the application. So I am starting off on clean, dry, stretched hair. As I said, if you haven't seen my previous video, which is how I wash my hair, then check that out. So I'm starting on clean, stretched hair, and as you can see guys, my hair is dry. So this is the paste that I got out. And I just start by putting this onto the ends of my hair. I like to focus first on the ends of my hair until I've covered all my hair, and then if I have extra, then I go back in and I saturate the roots of my hair. So our ends are the most vulnerable parts of our hair. That's why I like to focus on them, and then like I said, I go to the rest of my hair. Guys, if you're watching thus far, it means you actually like what you're seeing. So have you subscribed? Have you liked? Have you commented? Most people that actually watch my videos are not subscribed. But also guys, liking and commenting really does help my channel. It tells YouTube that my video is engaging, and YouTube then shares my video to more people. So please do like and comment. So as you can see, now my curls are starting to come out, because my hair is getting more moisturized and more saturated. So that's a very good sign that your hair is moisturized. So what are the benefits of this treatment? Firstly, avocado has a lot of good benefits to it. Avocado oil is very moisturizing to our hair and scalp. Avocado and egg are very light protein treatments. So the protein in these two ingredients are large enough that they cover our hair strands. So if you're somebody that's protein sensitive and you're worried about getting protein overload, this treatment is good for you because it's a very light protein treatment. It's also good for people who are low porosity and high porosity because, as I said, the protein in this treatment doesn't really penetrate your hair strands. So I do it in between my deep protein treatments, just something to tide me over until I'm ready to actually get a real, deep penetrating protein treatment. So now that I've covered all of my hair, I can now go in and put saturate my hair with extra product that I have left over. As you guys can see, my strands are fully saturated and my curl pattern is coming out now because my hair is nice and moisturized. For some reason, guys, every single time I film myself, I just forget how zoomed in and close my camera is. So I don't know, I apologize for being so up in your faces, but yeah, at least you guys can see, like, you can really see how my hair reacts to these products, and you can really see my hair texture. So if you're someone that has hair texture like mine, at least you can see how, you know, things are up close and personal. And I'm just checking if you guys are still watching. If you're still watching by this point, then clearly you're enjoying my content. So you might as well just subscribe, guys. Like and comment and share. So basically, I just go through the rest of my hair and I just apply this product to the rest of my hair. And this is basically what this video is about, guys, just showing you the application process. Sometimes I sleep with this overnight, but you know, as I've come to be more educated, I realized that hydro fatigue is a real thing. Hydro fatigue is a real thing, guys. So we don't want to always keep our hair in a greenhouse state, meaning you have to have a balance between moisture and protein. If there's too much moisture entering your hair, that's also not a good thing. So that's another reason why this protein treatment is good, because I feel like it's a good balance between protein and moisture. So I used to sleep with this overnight, but now I tend to just keep it in for like an hour or 2 hours max. Here you can get a nice visual between how my hair is dry and thirsty versus how it is when it's moisturized, luscious, and just popping. Look at those curls, guys. Curls are coming through. Clumpage is coming through. Movement, elasticity, bounce, all those good things. So once I'm done, guys, I just like to put a cap over my head. I keep it in for about 1 hour or 2 hours. I don't really sleep with it overnight anymore. And then I wash it out and I style my hair as normal. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video.